What is going on, guys? So it's been a while since we did a 3D printing business update, but I have actually started technically a new business upon the 3D printing businesses using the 3D printer. It's actually currently going out printing one of the new products. And yeah, so let me just explain that to you. Let's set you down here. Let's get cozy. Let's get ready. Let's take a sip of our drink. It's Red Bull. I had a long night. Don't judge me. I've been working hard. Beautiful. Anyway, so a couple of weeks ago, here's the backstory. A couple of weeks ago, we decided we were going to set up a niche or more specific 3D printing business, not just generic 3D printing, something specific, something we can actually go and say, this is a legit business not to do with 3D printing, but has its own niche, which we utilize a 3D printer. Now that was selling keychains. Now these keychains are like license plate keychains. Where's my camera here? License plate keychains, as you can see here, and we've got different colors, different variants, and we started selling these on Facebook about 2-3 weeks ago to friends and family. Just put it out there, created a Facebook page, and we had a bunch of people like it and buy some. We made about 10 sales straight away. Like, we got so many sales right off the bat, which is expected. Everyone's seeing it. People want to help out, you know, friends and family. So we kind of verified people did want them, but we had to kind of put in the price points. We had different sizes, different prices with different colors you can get. So you can get, obviously, the black and yellow, the yellow and black, the traditional like back license plate, the custom cool kind of license plate, and then we had the white one, which in the UK is at the front of your car. You got a white and black license plate, which is what is on my car. And yeah, we were doing those as sort of like license plate. You can have your own license plate, you can have a custom name, you can have whatever you wanted on there. Customize it, let me know, and I'd print it. And that's what we did. We did quite a few. This is one here actually failed. That's why I've still got it for one of my friends. And this one, it kind of warped in the corners, so this one was kind of a fail one, but we only actually had 2 fails over all of, I've made like 20 odd prints, and it's because I didn't change the filament quick enough. We'll explain that later. And here's another one with another warped corner, but they were the only 2 where we had a bit of warping in it. And yeah, so that was all right, that went well. And then we moved on to a new price. So we did that, we verified the keychains were actually going to sell. And then we moved on to actually selling on Shopify. So I set up a Shopify. I was going to build and code my own website and e-commerce, but I thought, you know what? Let's use Shopify. It's £1 for the next 3 months. It's only £1 a month. What's to lose? If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. But I've already made, disclaimer, real flash forward, we've already made enough to cover the costs of all the Shopify stuff anyway, which is great. So yeah, so we did that. We moved on with just these again. We only launched with just these because it's all we had. But now we've added new products. This week we've been working on making new products and new things. So we had this Zoe sort of, well, it's not just called Zoe, it's obviously whatever you can think of here. You got the Harry, this vibe going on here. So we had these. These are great. These are new ones. These just different sort of style you can go for and get keychain wise. So yeah, we've modeled those, designed those, and put them out there, which has sold, I think I've sold 1 of those so far, but they only went live Monday, which is a few days ago, but that's fine for me. And one we've literally only just launched is, or no, it was Thursday actually, last week we launched those. But one of them we've only just launched is this Instagram one. Now, this is the big one. There's actually a smaller variant because it's quite big, and I don't think everyone wants a giant one, but there's this giant one just in case people do want it. And what I can't show you what this does because I haven't got my phone. You're right here, the phone's here. But all I have to do is tap this to the top of my iPhone or to the back of an Android. And what this will do will open up the Instagram page that we program into it. So you can order these with your Instagram page. You send me the @handle and I will basically program it. So all you have to do is get sent one of these. You tap it on your mate's phone, it brings up your Instagram, they can follow you. You can tap it on people. So if you have a business and you want to share stuff like you go on an expo or something and you want to, or like an event, and you're going around and you just want to say, oh, I want to invite people to our page, I want to do this. Oh, you get talking, let's just get this, tap it, boom, opens it up, all sorted, and there you go. That's launched your Instagram page. Now, our latest one is more of a school-based one because obviously it's the school holidays right now. Well, it's about to be the school holidays, and I want to get keychains ready for back to school. So we have these sort of cool little, just simple nameplate ones with a bit of bubbly writing, a bit more kid-friendly, a bit more fun to go on kids' backpacks. It doesn't have to be just for kids either. We've got this one, which I've just done, and we're doing a Cassie one here. So these are all so those two are my own son's one, and then these ones are my friend's kids. We're doing just samples so I can get all these and take pictures for the Shopify. So they ain't live yet. I'm just getting all of them ready. And we are currently printing a blue version, which will say Harley. And then I'm going to do a green version that says Ren, and just a few different ones just to go out there, just so we can sample them and actually show them. And then I can give these off to my mates and they can all have them for their kids, which is great for them. And there'll be some out there already. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now with the business. Now, I'm just going to quickly swoop this around. You can see this is kind of the sessions in the last 30 days on the Shopify. Now, all of our sales have actually not been through the Shopify website yet, other than 2, as you can see on there, which have been more recent. But most of them have been coming through our friends and people who know our friends who have seen the post on Facebook, and we've made, I think it's like 12, 20, almost 20 sales now. It's coming up to 20, maybe more than 20 sales. And we've made the money back basically of what I've spent on the Shopify, what I've spent on filament. All of that stuff is pretty much already covered, which is great. That's one of the things you definitely want to get started and validate early on. So now the idea is to just keep plugging along and creating new keychains, new styles. Now I don't want to just do personalized one. I actually want to create some of my own custom styles. Like one brand I was going to start was this Broke and Boosted brand. And I like the brand, but what I need to do is I'm going to take this into a keychain and get like a turbo keychain that can go on people's car, following the sort of car theme we started with as well, the sort of car brands. That's what I'm aiming to do, and hopefully that comes along really well. But guys, I'm going to end this update here, and I'm going to give you more updates in the future. Let me know what you want to see. Ignore the mess back there. All of my filament is everywhere currently. You can see it's all over the place. And yeah, we're going to get that 3D printed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.